guys, welcome back to the channel. This is another vlog on RD50 Club, the Ethnics Day 17th anniversary 2025. So let's go check which all bikes have come and some discussion will happen. So let's check it out.
Happy New Year!
Round of applause for RD Club and Bikers of India for completing 17 years. I request all of you to come a little forward.
Closer.
Okay, first of all, we are completing 17 years. We have done monthly meets past 16 years and we are going ahead. Thanks to everyone for keeping the spirit on. We've been trying the Ethnic Day for 7th year today. Thanks to everyone for well dressed and making this day so special. It's our way to bring the new year in style, which we do. Thank you everybody for a great morning. So before we start, we have a couple of old people who've been helping us from past 17 years, going from the day one. We all began the story back in airlines in 2008, where we started the monthly meets, we started riding around and small rides, and today we have covered about more than 200 meets and more than a lot of rides. Thanks to everybody for making it charged and going on well with this. We would like Mr. Isana sir, please come up. These are you must be knowing. One of a great biker and let's hear some good news for the start of the year.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಎತ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ನಾವು ಇರೋದೇ ಹೀಗೆ. ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ವಿಶಾಲ್. He was a boy when I started and now you see he's grown into a very fine man.
I'm still a boy, sir.
Heart of a boy. Heart of a boy.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿಪ್ಪ. ಮದುವೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಒಂದು 5% ಕಮಿಷನ್ ನಾವು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟೇ ಸೇಫ್. ಚೈನಾ ವೈರಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೋ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಥರ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇರಿ, ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್. ಚೈನಾ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸರ್. If your life is there, everything is there. Personal request coming from the professional side, since I'm a banker, all of you save a little extra money this year. Spend less money this year on anything. Have your fun, have your fun. But I'm telling you, save a little extra money. You don't know where it will go. But whatever happens, happens for the better. But keep some extra money safe hand in hand. Don't make the bank rich. Don't lend to friends. Don't borrow from friends. Take care of yourself. Be good to everybody. Look after your health, look after your family, look after your friends. And keep coming to our club and make it successful. And trust me, we are here today because of this boy, Vishal. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Hooray!
All together and all of us to this. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, before I start, we had a very good friend, Mr. Nitin. All of you must be knowing Nitin Uthappa. We have his dad in London, so we would really want you to come up and speak on up here. Come, sir. Guys, a round of applause for him joining us and always being there. We would hear from him. Nitin was a very close friend. We lost him. He's always there with us. He's always encouraged sir, and we would hear from you, sir. Something about sir's been very active in the biking field. Sir's been organizing the last, what was the event? Opposite IBW. Motor Soul. So he's a part of Motor Soul, both of them, and they were all there, active there. Good to see you in the biking field again, sir, and you want some words for us, sir. You've been seeing us
you also come in.
past 8 years. You've been seeing us, how we grew and how we do it right. Very young. So we do it. Half pace here, half pace in foot. So we do trips from foot normally. We do some 4-5 kilometers in trips. We'll be doing it and we've been enjoying that. So I want all of you to keep the spirit of biking. And biking is always good. And it really, picks you up and it keeps you awake all the time. Keep that biking. Be safe. Safe riding. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Okay, guys, I was present in IBW, which happened on 5th and 6th of December. I had displayed about 10 bikes of mine, and we got a good podium. RD Club was recognized even there. You would have heard the video where UD, the host, says to the Gen X about the RD being the fastest bike even now. So the world is knowing it. We are doing good. RD Club is doing good. Thanks to every one of you to rock it. Before we want our most dressed handsome guy, Mr. Venkatari here on the floor. Guys, Venkatari is always been history to everyone and an example. He's always been winning. So, we should hear from him. Most of you know he's one of the biggest collectors who owns bikes and a lot of things. He's come on his beautiful scooter today. You want to know something?
Vishal organizes the event. I tell you, it is one of the best. There are a lot of people who say, if you want to have a
All great conditions and very good competition. I am all expected. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. So we would want to welcome a couple of guys with a lot of memories. They're pretty hard to figure and must be neat. We would want Arvind sir to come here. Guys, we want them. It's very tough to see. Yeah. So we started our journey about 18 years back all together. So what's it been? How to be? We all started here. I remember. He's always been present on all the rides, Indian rides which we go. Some of the experiences, how it was all the time and how we do it. No, last time we stood was, may I have your attention please? I can never forget that. Yes, sir. Great to have you guys. And, okay, guys. So as a routine, a big thanks to Big Biking Commune. It's always easy come up here. Big Biking Commune. Arun sir is not there today, so we have sir with we have a small intro about the company and what you guys do. Organized the Mahabalipuram event. If you remember, we all had one. We were about 50 of us who were down to Big Biking Commune, which happened in Mahabalipuram. And Arun sir has always been grateful to us, supporting us all the events which we do every day. Big thanks to Big Biking Commune for helping us in this issue of So guys, we have some couple of gifts, trophies. Everyone's well dressed, but out of jury and out of people, we have couple of people who deserve to be think for what they have dressed. So we would want Nitin sir, we would want the first prize to be given to the best dressed couple, not couple, friends together. Guys, I want okay, we start with the runner-up. So we have a runner-up decided by all of them, right? No, we have open voting, bro. Not because of the height. We're not talking about the height. Not part of it. So out of all the guys who voted, we want the second one myself. Come on, please come. Guys, cheers to Mr. Ravikiran and sir. This guy is looking very smart. Thank you. Okay, we have another two more to go. The first runners up is also because of the vehicle and it's because of it not being so it's Mr. Kedar bike scooter and his scooter that we have and running guys also. So we want Mr. Venkatari to join us. Okay guys, so
The most handsome, good-looking guy.
So again guys, a big round of applause to Big Biking Commune for helping us. Okay, that's So it's a routine every year so that everyone gets a trophy and goes ahead home. So we would want the guys who deserve to be dressed like Tausif sir and many others who've been here before. We encourage people to dress more better in a more grander way next year and let's turn out to Ethnic Day to be a better show. Okay. So guys, I think two friends are there who are both are beautifully dressed and we have one prize. So we would want Justin and Monster to come up and receive it on both of us guys. Come on, get So okay, before I introduce, Jasmine is a big known figure. She's got about 100k followers, and Monster is also a big content creator who now have about 10k and a lot of YouTube followers. He's known as Monster Man. So a small intro, bro, about you, then I'll introduce ma'am.
Thanks, Vishal bhai, for all this. I have a couple of bikes. I keep doing this. Iron Monster 13. Iron Monster. Yes, I keep exploring. So I have completed India twice. All over India rides.
Beautiful, man, beautiful. And guys, ma'am's a doctor. So let's hear from you, ma'am, about your profession.
First of all, I'd like to thank Vishal sir for inviting me here. I
Once you join in with us and live, we are completely different people. And today we look different because of the guests. You know, when we see us with the guests, we are different people. So great guys, I think they deserve both of this. We would want to please come up, please come up. And we would want Nandini ma'am to come up and give this award to both of us. If you want to join ma'am, please.
Aye, Akka, Aji.
भाई दोनों इधर करो. Come on guys, round of applause to them. Come on. Thank you. Guys, we have Mithun is missing today, but Mithun's Pulsar Fortune Club is part of today. Rohit is joining us today from Bro Club, Bro RX Club. So you saw the beautiful lineup of RX is all here. So please a small intro about your gang and three friends.
I'm Rohit. I'm from Bharat RX College Club. We are called Pro Club. They were drinking representatives from our club that a lot of people left due to their personal commitments. Anyway, thanks for inviting us.
Great to have you. So you would want Mike is coming up to hand over him.
Back over here. So, Kawasaki Bajaj Caliber. So this Bond BSA is Vishal's bike. The Vespa 150 having a sidecar, looks very beautiful. Well maintained bike.
Okay, let's go.